Lana Green Jewelry Reviews. Pricing explained what you get for your money. When a jewelry brand promises luxury looks without luxury pricing, it instantly gets attention. That's what Lana Green Jewelry claims to deliver: stylish pieces designed to elevate your everyday wardrobe. But most shoppers ask the same thing: what are you really paying for? Let's start with the appeal. Lana Green focuses on modern, trendy jewelry. Think minimalist necklaces, bold statement rings and sparkling earrings. Pieces are visually eye-catching and pair well with fashion-forward outfits. Pricing usually falls into an affordable premium range. Not as cheap as fast fashion, but far below solid gold fine jewelry. The materials are crucial to understand. Many items use gold plating over base metals or simulated stones. This keeps costs down, while still offering a high shine, glamorous look. Most people get this wrong. Plated jewelry is not meant to last forever. Over time, plating can fade if worn daily in water or lotions. That means the value depends on how you plan to wear it. If you rotate your accessories, pieces like this can keep looking fantastic for a long while. Where the brand shines is style variety. You could build multiple looks without draining your bank account. Reviews often mention that the jewelry photographs beautifully, a big win for events and social media moments. So, what do you get for your money? Fashion jewelry that adds elegance without a huge investment. The trade-off is durability. Treat the pieces gently, store them properly, and they'll serve you well. If you love keeping up with trends and want to expand your jewelry collection on a real-world budget, Lana Green can be a smart buy. But if you want heirloom quality metals and stones, be ready to pay more elsewhere. The choice comes down to what matters most to you: sparkle for today or permanence for tomorrow.